This is looking all nice and scrumptious, summery. What's that right? That's left, huh?
Now, where you coming from?
Right. Hello! In the car. About to go to Jennifer now. My first time back in the car. Yeah, it's exciting. Can't wait to head to the highway. Oh, we have arrived at Jennifer. Hey, I'm walking to the sea. Ah, look at that! I'm walking to the seas. Oh, yeah. Look at the head. Look at the head. I'm in the car again with this guy. This guy.
Yeah,
which I said I wouldn't have in my videos anymore. And we're trying to find.
This is filmed. Yeah.
Oh
we're trying to find parking.
You got only one job?
Oh my god.
Joe, you decided it's a red day today?
Yeah, man.
Oh, loving it. Look at the look, guys. When we get inside, we get an outfit of the day, okay? Bowling started. I love it. This is, guys, this is the warm-up.
Oh, okay.
This is the warm-up.
It's 3 hours though.
It's a warm-up for an hour, and then an hour,
Exactly.
2 hours actually playing.
Yeah. Alright. Ja, er is nog een kans.
It's raining. It's raining. And we're inside, no umbrella. Finishing. Okay. And look at the scoreboard. Look at the scoreboard. I won. All right. Once again in the car with my designated driver. Yeah. I'm heading to the city, Rotterdam Central, to meet up Priscilla so that we can chill and all of that stuff. And I have something for her. I have a little present for her because it's her birthday this month and I won't be here for the actual birthday, so I made something. Didn't get to finish it completely, but that's okay, you know. Here at Rotterdam Central. I love my city. Gonna head in to find Priscilla now. Yeah, I don't know where she is exactly, but she will be able to find me, I hope, because I am blind. So let's do this. Priscilla is spotted. I see her. She doesn't know I'm here yet. Let me zoom out. You're on the vlog, by the way. Look at Miss Antry. Look at her. Oh, fly girl. Up in Rotterdam. Like she's a big girl.
I am.
Oh, the lies. Who told you these things? The lies. I bet it was Jude. And then try this one. Oh, it's moving.
I feel like a sensor or something.
Yeah, our foodies.
It's a prize.
My man is acting like he's on some scooter and everything. You have to see me in front of the camera, you know? It's not always every day about me. It's my channel. Anyways, here at Rotterdam Central. Going back to the station. Thank you very much. Gonna bring... Hey. a gift I brought for Priscilla. Priscilla's here and she still doesn't have the gift. So, gonna hand you the gift. Priscilla, this one is for you. Pre-birthday. I mean, you can wait till your birthday to open it. I'm not gonna wait. But you can open it before. And then... Ty, she's doing dance now. I tried my best. Because, you know, I'm broke. So I tried. Hey! You know, you gotta be creative.
Thank you.
You're welcome. She's off, she's off. Bye. Ready for the tram. I'm heading home. It's been a not so long day really, but I had fun. Got to see my girl Priscilla, Prissy Priss. Supposed to clean my room, so we'll see if that's gonna happen. If not, such is life, eh? Sis is looking all nice and scrumptious, summery. Hey, look at her, look at her. We have met again, back in the city again. We're gonna have food. Look at our food. Mine is a bit plain, but you know, life. Sis is ready to enjoy it. Enjoy it, sis. Did you pray though?
I'm praying,
The lights. This is my room. It's still a mess. I've been meaning to tidy up, but yeah, I end up adding more stuff onto the situation that's happening in here. And I definitely need to clear it up before I leave, which is going to be in a few days. Okay, so I'm going to meet Jenny now. I'm tired walking up the stairs, but it is what it is. So, yeah, let's see if we can find her. Sorry. Let's say right. That's left, huh?
No, where you coming from?
It's right. Isn't it?
It's a lie. Look, you're on camera, by the way.
Hello, guys.
This is Jenny, people. Primark buy, you know. When people want to be fly in jackets, but it's too hot for the jackets.
Inside I had airco though.
Ooh, yeah, inside. But outside is now, look at Madame Bags. Madame Bags. Get Jenny to her car. Yay! Woo!
Go and live in
Woo!
the UK.
Don't bring that up.
I have to tell you guys that. Can you remember? Can you imagine?
Oh my
Can you imagine this girl left
Don't
me?
bring it up.
Just if it was not, I don't think something I was asking, she would have never told me.
I'll be in England, be like Jenny, I'm in
And she's
the
telling
UK.
me I'm private. Let's continue.
I've not done that since, okay? My girl forgot what her car was packed. Ay. We made it. We made it. She's taking off the jacket again, guys. Oh my goodness, the phone.
It's a Samsung, we're good.
Oh, what do you mean by that? Let me not get into this discussion.
Hello guys.
It was good to be together,
It was
guys.
good to have met you guys. And I hope I will be featured in another video talking about faith or natural hair or anything like
this
that.
woman is taking over my channel. Oh,
Yes, I
my
am.
goodness.
So
It's alright.
like, subscribe, and put a thumbs up. And don't forget to put on the notification bell so you don't miss any other upcoming videos.
Okay, now
Hear
she's a
me?
professional. She's a professional.
I tried.
Okay.
Alright guys, it was a pleasure.
She's
And
going, I'm going,
go.
and all will be well.
Oh, well.
God bless you.
God bless everybody.
Everybody.
And don't forget, stay close to God and He is still close to you.
This is my last day in Holland and I am gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss my dad, my brother, also miss, you know, my friends and everything here. But it is what it is, and I'm just gonna miss this room because, you know, I tidied it. It looks so good, you know. It's gonna be here all by itself waiting for me. Hopefully it won't take me as long to come back home. Bye house. So we're almost ready to go. And how was it?
Great. We had great time, busy, doing lots of things, meeting friends, shopping,
Yeah.
cooking.
Yeah, I didn't do much cooking. She did. But yeah, so we're finna leave. Hi, last time in the car. Ziplane for the last time.
Not for the last time, for now.
Okay, Leo. Okay, Leo, drive safe. Doei. End of vlog, end of vlog. Zeg bye. So, what are we gonna do now?
We are going to Antwerp and then to London.
Back in Antwerp again, as you can see, Central Station behind me, and Le Mother right there. So yeah, we're just waiting. We're waiting on our next bus, our connection to go to Le London. So we're at the security point for the New York tunnel. I'm tired, fully sleeping. So good to sleep. Yo, you think? Look at my mom being a backseat driver, telling the driver what to do. Into the tunnel we go. Look at another train.
Woo. Traffic behind us in the ear of tunnel.
Made it home. Very happy, but do have a bit of a, bad news because my mama's plants died. So sad. Like they died, but the rest is fine. So yeah, with that being said, that's all for this vlog.